How did you enjoy eating noodles? Have you tried eating noodles this way? So guys, this is the best way you can always enjoy your noodles. So today I share with you how I always cook my noodles at home. Just simple and healthy and amazing to serve anyone around you. So I just adding this noodles inside this pot of stock water, that is meat stock, then season with all-purpose seasoning that come from the noodles, then add in some vegetable which is carrot and tomato and bell pepper, then stir that together. So next I will be adding, guys, is some protein. So which of the protein did you like to eat, or do you like to enjoy your noodles with? So today I'm making use of this beef fat, so that is what I will be using for these noodles. Just stir that together because that has cooked already, and I still use the stock to prepare the noodles. So guys, it's ready to serve. See you in my next one. Bye bye.